table and the chairs have been outdoors for a couple of years, I think, and they are in need of repair.
Молодец, папа! А как же я на этих буду сидеть?
So the coral disc did a decent job, but couldn't get into the corners. That means I get to play with some more of my toys, and let's see if I can do some sandblasting here. So yeah, it's going painfully slowly because my compressor is not powerful enough. So I cleaned it up best I could with the coral disc and then wiped down with acetone. I wanted to spray paint it, but it's kind of rainy outside and cold. I'm just going to paint it indoors. I did 3 coats of yellow paint without any primer, and I'm again seeing those brown dots, which looks like rust, and the coating is still not fully done. It looks kind of terrible. Not completely terrible, but just not great. Here I did just 1 coat of automotive primer outdoors, and it's not completely dry, but I want to give it a try and see how the yellow paint will go on the primer instead of just on bare metal. Let's say it does a better job, but still not great. Maybe that's the reason is that my paint is acrylic, not the best paint for metal. The tabletops are cut. Let's see if I manage to spray the edges. So this is what I have at the end of the day. It's not perfect, but much better than it was before. I think it will serve quite well for a few more years. I really regret picking this acrylic paint because it is just a mess and doesn't actually hide the color that's below it, but it looks decent, especially from a distance.